What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here, getting hungry. On the PEZ Book channel, do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns. I want a grape one bad. Any and everything down below. Now then, I'm going to straight up ask the question. Start it out on the high note. Does anybody have this still with the pops in it, mint in bag or mint in box here? Because I want to eat a grape one. I know it's going to be a little old. Just saying that. Just saying. So they did offer the Quiescent frozen convection. They can't say popsicles? Is that trademarked? Maybe it is. Who knows? Free! You get one dispenser and 2 rolls of candy PEZ inside. Collect them all. So as I was noticing here, we have the pictures of the dispensers. These are all characters that are owned by PEZ. So nothing trademarked, just a licensed PEZ item. Using the dispenser to move the candy and their Quiescently frozen Confections. These are the real PEZ Pops. PEZ. Try saying that 100 times fast. I couldn't even say it once. So yes, I found this box. I thought it was very cool. So this was a thing. I've never tried them before. I do want to try them. So if anybody has some, ooh, very disgusting. But there were that many dispensers they were offering. Wow. Looks like I can get all of those out of choice set of the dollar box. Couple armies there. Very cool. So until next time.